First step, don't underestimate your audio. Audio is 90% of your video. A viewer can push through bad video quality but not bad audio. Does it mean you need a $5,000 microphone and a studio-grade mixer to sound good? No, but you do need a microphone. You don't have one? That's okay. Use your phone or laptop. I've heard MacBooks have a really good mic on them. Want to buy one? Get a $40 one or a cheap clip-in microphone if you move quite a lot. Reality is, just use what you got. The single most important thing to get a good sounding audio is to get a good sounding recording. You can't make a bad take sound good. So, take your time and be sure to get the best source recording possible. Now, how do you do that? 1. Get into a quiet space. The quieter, the better. 2. Treat that space to reduce unwanted noise, echo or reverb. Basically, surround yourself with things like blankets, clothes, your bed, polar bears, anything that would absorb sound. 3. Distance yourself correctly from the mic. You want to be about 3 to 6 inches away from it, depending on what mic you've got. This will reduce the chance of your voice clipping and distorting. Also, get your mic off axis from your mouth to avoid getting air into it and causing plosives. 4. And most importantly, get a good performance. Nothing else matters if you're not talking with the energy your video needs nor enunciating words properly. Remember, get a good take. You got your take? Great. Now let's process it. You can do this in any video or audio editing software. I'll choose DaVinci Resolve because it's free and you're probably going to end up editing your video in here anyways. First, import your audio and add it to the timeline. Make sure it's in mono by right-clicking the track, change track type to, and selecting mono. This will make your audio come from both speakers instead of potentially being listened through only one side. Now go to the Fairlight tab and at the right side you'll see your track. Within it, your effects rack. Click the plus button, go to Restoration, Fairlight Effects and choose Noise Reduction and set it to Auto Speech Mode. From the same drop-down menu, add a de-esser. This will make the S sound less harsh. This is without a de-esser. This is with a de-esser. Now open the dynamic square. This is your compressor. Turn it on. This will make the loud parts of the recording quieter, and by adding a little bit more volume after this, you will compensate for that prior reduction, resulting in an overall more balanced sound. No extra quiet, no extra loud parts anymore. Extra tip, add a limiter to the rightmost track. This will affect every other track on your project. Open it and turn the input knob until the sound you see hits the blue line. This will make your whole video louder and will prevent clipping and distorting from happening. Congratulations, now you get a professional YouTube voiceover quality. But what if you want to take this more seriously? Well, in that case, first I would recommend getting a microphone, preferably one of those $60 fee-fine with USB and XLR connection. Make sure it has both. Then, if it doesn't come with one, get a mic stand. Either a desk stand or a microphone boom arm is good. The point is to not have it moving in your hands, causing undesired noise. Again, if your mic does not come with this, get a pop filter. This will prevent plosives, and with it you can now talk directly into the mic. And lastly, if you want to go overboard or you stream a lot, get an audio interface or audio mixer. Connect your mic via XLR to it, this is why I told you to get this type of mics, and control its volume and other stuff while getting a much wider and full sound for your streaming, videos, voiceovers or even music. Congrats, now you have professional audio quality and everyone will envy you. I've left some fit links down in the description for some of these products to enhance your audio quality. Feel free to take whichever one you feel you need.